Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this.
We're going to talk about flat roofs today. Flat roofs are probably one of the most ignored roofs when it comes to maintenance. Mainly because you can't see them from the ground. This is all you see. So let's go up and let's take a look at what is happening on this roof. Okay, here we are. This is a flat roof, semi-flat, got some decent slope to it. It looks like it was a built-up roof, some kind of cap sheet that somebody put an elastomeric coating over. So one of the first things that we see on a roof like this and lack of maintenance is this. All the debris that ends up on the roof sooner or later flows towards the scupper. And as it flows to the scupper, it dams up. Now water, as you can see, has been backing up. And it backs up far enough to where it could run to this next area. Unfortunately, there's also a dam here. So now all the water sits here, and as it sits here, it deteriorates the coating. Once it gets under this coating, it'll run for quite a ways until it deteriorates the rest of the roof and ends up in the house. Let's take a look over here. Now I cleaned this one up the last time I was here because it was holding a ton of water. And this is the area that I did a repair in, and I needed that water to flow away. But I moved all that. Now that scupper goes in and drops into a pan that is below the roof. So you really can't see what's going on in there. But if we look over the next roof, we're just collecting more and more. Now, let me show you around here. There's really no trees overhead. None. So this debris just gets blown here. Let's take a look at the rest of this roof. It's not in bad shape. It just has had no maintenance at all. So here's the area that I've repaired. Right here. This corner was broken open. There was a hole here, and so as you can tell, I removed all the debris, and the debris dammed up the water and allowed the water to pour into this hole that I covered here. If we look on the other side, and I'm going to make this repair today, this is starting to deteriorate too. And as you can see, it's kind of open a little bit, and I'll take care of that today. But let's take a look back here, because this is a hidden spot when you look, and all this debris back here is collecting. We can't see under this ductwork. We have no idea what's going on under there. All of this should be cleaned off and cleared away. Now let's step over to the patio. And as you see, now let me show you this scupper. This is another one of them scuppers that goes in somewhere in there under this cricket and comes out right there. Don't know what's going on in there, but take a look at this over time. This scupper that has allowed water to drain off of one roof onto this one is eating the coating right here, coating. Water's getting under it, and it'll run and it'll deteriorate until it gets here. Look at this. This is shot. Now from below, that fascia's rotted and the decking's rotted, and that all needs to be replaced. So the roof itself, overall not in bad shape, just has had no maintenance, and in time will leak into the house. And if no one ever comes up here, that'll be the only time, just like this last time I was here, the only time somebody comes up here is when the water's starting to come into the house. So get somebody on your flat roof every couple years. Walk it, fix it. Thank you.